Welcome to forming letters number 9, sunny E. We are adding a new twist for the sunny E. First you draw a line straight across, and then you make that nice up and back shape. Make sure you just tap that line and then continue on to your sunny C where you stop short. Here we go, line straight across, up and back, nice circle shape. Just tap that line, finish off your sunny C and stop short. Look at that E. That's awesome. Making E's on a dotted line can be a little tricky. You want your line to go just halfway between. Okay, so we want the line to go halfway between the dots in the bottom line, go straight across, then go up and back just like the sunny C. Tap that dotted line, just tap that straight line and tap the bottom line, stop short. Straight across, up and back, tap, 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 stop short. Straight across, up and back, tap, 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 stop short. You keep on practicing your sunny E's and we'll be ready to learn a new group of letters.